god, this formal looks so okay. These all these beers. I know. They're so cute. Oh, that looks cool. See, Nyah? Oh my god.
But it's a little dance, no?
In the intro of the second. Yeah, I love that.
I love the texture of that.
Okay.
I've been deciding between either the peanut butter jelly,
Nathalya, what are you guys doing?
picking out our slimes,
But where are you?
at California Adventure.
Ooh. And these are the toppings that you can put on the slime.
Yeah, but these little
This is avocado. Look.
They have so many other flavors.
Oh my god.
This is one of my new favorites I like the smell of that.
Oh, it smells so good, and it's like the texture is so okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, feel it.
Did you want to feel some?
You want to feel some? Which one you want?